What's up guys, it's me Shreyas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Players Wesley. Today I am opening packs and opening packs. Guys, first we can open. Guys, first we have 492 coins. Guys, first we can open the national selection contract. Guys, I am taking Bernardo Silva. Guys, from here. Bernardo Silva is a great card for great card. Guys, Bernardo Silva. This is Bernardo Silva, guys. Bernardo Silva, okay. Nextly, we are opening European Club Championship pack, guys. Nextly, we are opening European Club Championship pack, guys. First 100 coin, guys. First 100 coin, what we get? Cancel. Let's go. What will we get? Guys, this is card, guys. 92 here. Right midfielder, guys. Is Carlos Forbes, guys. Carlos Forbes. Next try, guys. Next also. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Samadis, guys. Last try, guys. What we will get, guys? Okay. Is 95 over, guys. Attacking midfielder, Manchester City. Guys, Phil Foden, guys. It's Phil Foden. Nice. It's Phil Foden. Guys, next we come back this worldwide player of the week, guys. First cancel. And let's go, guys. Let's go. What did we get? 94 over, guys. Yes, go, guys. Garnacho, guys. So that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed my video, like, share and subscribe. Comment your opinion in my video, and also comment what content we can make next, guys. I need your support, guys. If there is any wrong in this video, please tell that in comment also, guys. This is my second video. So guys, bye guys, thanks for watching, guys.